That's the day that I walked into a hospital with two legs and woke up with one. But before anybody starts with the sympathy comments, you could save it. All right, this wasn't something that happened to me. I chose to do this. Yeah, let that sink in for a second. Because most of you, when you hear the word amputation, you think accident or tragedy or bad luck. For me, this was 8 years in the making, okay? It was 13 operations, 13 times being told that this might fix it, 13 times going through the whole process, the pain, the recovery, the hope, and then right back to square one again. For 8 years, my legs were in constant pain, all right? Not I'm having a bad day pain, all right? I'm talking about the kind of pain that sits with you every second of the day like it pays rent, okay? Every step felt like a negotiation, all right? Every plan had a question mark attached to it. And then finally, one day after another doctor's appointment and another ultrasound, the doctor hits me with, well, we could try one more surgery, but there's no guarantee, all right? It might last 2 months, it might last 5 years. And that wasn't a solution for me. That was a gamble. And at some point, you get tired of gambling your life on maybe. So yeah, I made the call, cut it off.